Hi, this is PD at BurgZerg Arcade at BurgZergArcade.com, and this is session 3 of our little question and answer period. I've decided to do these maybe at least a few times a week, as it does seem to answer a lot of common questions that people have, and people will tend to watch the video more than actually go read the other previous questions that other people have asked. So I've decided to keep doing this here, at least for now. Hopefully it helps people out, gets more questions answered. But anyway, let's go on with the first one here. See, so this is on number video 20. Mono says I have an error at public void awake. The chances are the line before you're missing either a semicolon or a bracket or something. Basically check the line above it. That's probably where your error is. And a lot of times when you actually get an error, it might actually be the line above. Without getting too much into the way your script is processed, like the way it goes through and it parses each line or each command and goes ahead and creates the assembly that it needs to create. Or in this case, I believe it's in C#, it's like the CLR. But anyway, usually it's the line above. So check that. Next one. You're welcome. Again, you have amazing tutorials. You're welcome. Not many questions today. Why do you use offense and defense? Not all of the skills have defense and offense side, right? This is on number 17. So this is their character skills, and you can put whatever skills you want in there. For me, I wanted a base skill that would control all of melee, all of ranged, and all of magic. And there's two sides of it. To basically, the offense is your attack, your defense is, well, your defense against that particular type of attack. So let's take melee offense, or just melee combat in general. You have two different skills that will affect your melee combat right now, the way I have it set up. And that's your offense and your defense. And basically, the higher your melee offense, the better your chances are of hitting another mob and a little bit more damage. Like, you can do a lot of stuff with the actual skill once you've got it in place of how you want it to affect the actual melee combat. It's completely up to you. The way I'm going to be doing it is it gives a slight chance to hit more. And of course, this is going to be according to their defense. And with the defense, again, same thing. Higher your defense, less you get hit. And if you do get hit, maybe less damage. It's just numbers to play around with. But yes, that's what I have them in there for. You don't need them. You can use whatever skills you want. That's why I made it an enumeration, but that's what I'm using it for. Next question. And when I try to enter the game, it says all errors must be fixed to enter play mode. It's because your script has errors. If you actually open up the console and take a look, the red lines, those are errors. You got to fix those errors before you can play your game. And the next one, it's a lot of all jumbled together. Anyway, I'm about 9 minutes into the video and the debug.drawline isn't showing up. I get this error, NullReferenceException, UnityEngine.Transform. Get underscore position at blah, blah, blah. Well, it tells you the line that you have your error on. It's on line 19, right here. And it tells you the function. But on that line, you're getting a null reference. So you're trying to target something that doesn't exist in your game, at least not yet. So go ahead and make sure that your variable names are the same. I assume you're drawing a line from yourself to the mob. This is tutorial 3. Yes, this is when we're first playing around with the debug.drawline. So there's only two variables that you're looking at. There's the one that you're using for yourself, and I believe back then we might have just been using transform. From the code here, I'm not sure. And the other one will be probably like target or underscore target. Make sure the variables are spelt correctly. And if they're exposed in the inspector, make sure you actually have something assigned to them. The error you're getting just means that you're trying to access something that doesn't exist. Next one, weapon meshes. What video did we set the hand weapon mounts again? I forgot the number. I'm not really sure off the top of my head, but I will post a link in the response to the listing of tutorials on the website, because they're all listed there by number. It might help you. When I have to look something up, that's where I go and look. Just because you have all the title names there, so it's a little helpful for me. But an actual answer to your question, I'm not sure. And the next, peanut butter's secret stash in the jar behind the books. Ah, that's actually a cinnamon apple scented candle. I used to burn it quite a bit down here. I really like the smell of it, but it's just too smoky when you put it out. It's just smoke everywhere, so I haven't actually used it in a while. But I just kind of stuck it up there and just to get it out of the way. But anyway, yeah, just a candle. Anyway, it looks like the other video I was uploading is done. So I'm going to go ahead and encode this one. And, well, thanks for watching. Make sure you leave your comments either on the website or as a comment to one of the videos. You have a better chance of getting an answer actually on the website itself. But feel free to actually post to the latest videos on YouTube as well. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.